Shake it and cool on. Read on some.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So I am here still in Owerri, enjoying the half village life. No, JK. We're actually living very good here in Owerri. But okay, so my trip here is winding down. I only have one more full day tomorrow with my cousins, my family. So we are going to enjoy today. So we're gonna go swimming. But before we go swimming, we have to eat. We're so hungry and no one cooked. So take a look at what we're doing, guys. Oh my god. Bruh. This is tuna and bread. But this bread is amazing bread, okay? Listen.
One of the best in Owerri.
Yeah, so we eating good. I don't really care like what y'all think. But this is sweets, okay? This is what you call life. Yeah, we're just waiting for Meso, my cousin, to come back, and then we're gonna drive or head over to a hotel that has like a pool. And I'm treating everyone for the pool day, so yay! You know. Because I couldn't do that now. Yum. Yo, she really hoarded. Thank you. Life is good though. And then we got the Pepsi on the side. You know what I mean? What I've noticed here in Nigeria is that people drink a lot of soda and bread. Yeah. Like, I'm getting so much weight being here. It's okay. I'm doing detox when I get home. Negotiations going on right now.
I want to tell it for 5. Half
This is my mom's sister. Shout out your catering business so that they know.
I have Okechi Catering services. All your occasions like wedding, anniversary, burial, anyhow, just call us. You will be joyfully satisfied.
So yeah, I'm gonna leave her information down below. So if you're in Owerri and need catering services, definitely.
No, not only Owerri, Nigeria.
Yes, we got blessings.
Okay, she travels too. So and the food is very good. You know.
Oh yeah, now. That's about joy.
Peep the side ponytail. Bro. Milo and peak milk. Alright. Don't mind my side ponytail. Alright, let me fix this because this actually looks ridiculous. There we go. So it's my last day in Owerri. It's my little cousin. He used to be a knucklehead, but he's actually pretty cool now. But yeah, so it's my last day in Owerri and I'm so sad. Look, I haven't worn makeup. Like, I wore makeup one day out of the 9 days that I was here. That's just how much I've been enjoying, you know? It's that type of relaxation. So you're just gonna keep following me? You know when you're just having a good time where makeup doesn't matter, you know? You just go makeup free. So my skin is glowing. It's not glowing? Tell me. My skin is dead glowing. So I'm just enjoying my family for the last day that I'm here. Full day. I leave in the afternoon tomorrow, so. Meso!
Hey guys! Am I supposed to talk?
Can you teach us some pidgin though? Like, we never even learned any pidgin, any something where they can take, you know, from me being in Owerri. Pidgin, Igbo, whatever.
Pidgin English. I'm like, okay, well, if I want to tell somebody now, like, someone might meet me and say, who is Chizi to me? And I don't want to really say she's my cousin. I'll say she's my personal person. I love
what? Personal person. Okay, what's another one? My personal person.
Personal person.
Okay.
What do you want me to say now? Okay, this always happens in our school. Let me say in my university. Conversation between two people in preaching.
Okay.
Oh boy, how fun! I do. So what do you put after me?
No, okay. So you say, oh boy.
Oh boy, how fun now? I do. Lectures go hold today. Say if you know what to do, say the lecturer wife born pikin.
And that means, tell them what that means.
That means the lecturer's wife gives birth. So if you know come school today, try this one pay me so I don't waste my transport come school now. The lecturer no go come day class. For this school na nonsense.
Oh my gosh. Okay, and give them the translation of what you just said.
Okay, like I'll be like, good day, say yeah, same to you. Be like would there be lectures today? Say I'm not sure because the lecturer's wife just gave birth.
Yeah.
I'll be like, huh? And I wasted my transport when I came to school today.
Transport is like, you guys know what transport is like, money to come to school.
Yeah.
And then this school is nonsense.
Yeah, school is nonsense.
Yeah. So
if I speak in English, you not put to the school is nonsense. If you're saying broken, say in fact this school not nonsense.
So this is what I've just been engulfed in for the last 9 days. And it's just been great. Like Meso is the king of pigeon and just, I don't even like, let me know, comment below if you can even understand his accent. His accent is very thick, like very, very, very thick. But it's so funny and I love it, and it helps me because he speaks also he speaks fluent Igbo, right?
Yes, why not?
Yeah.
I'm one Igbo. And then I'm sorry.
Just tell them.
With okay, Chizi, and I mean I like Lagos.
I'm ala Echi.
Yeah, Lechi. So you got Lagos now, get your phone.
I can speak a little Igbo, but I can hear it like completely. And yeah, I've been trying to work on my Igbo because it's just a nice skill to have. Like that's your language. But yeah, he's been teaching me and just being surrounded by everyone because everyone here speaks Igbo, so it's been great. So what are we doing today besides bonding?
Bonding.
And more bonding.
More bonding.
Okay, no problem.
Together, oh, together, oh.
Hey guys, so we are now outside. And where are we going?
Strolling.
We are not strolling. He has a friend. I don't know. Meso's very popular over here. So he has one thing or another to do with someone and he needs to give someone something. So he told me to follow along. And this is the famous pathway that we must walk. Oh Lord, guys. Oh Lord, I hear something.
Don't be afraid though. All these animals, they know my name.
I remember when I first came to Nigeria 2 years ago, I was so scared walking this pathway, but
I'm coming.
It's all good now.
I'm coming there now.
I'm a village girl.
I'm aware.
We just got a keke.
Hold on.
So we've made it to his friend. This is his friend.
Hey, Agami,
Meso is crazy. Like Meso is actually crazy.
You sabi that guy now? That one got believe no one day like this. I cannot believe. Like guys, he's my friend. Pepper. Now see the book I paid for 2.5. That's what they gave me.
So we have reached the destination right about here, and the DJ is now going to unload his stuff and put it in the party. Cool. So apparently this man's name is Favor, but I like to call him Franco. I heard he's an interior designer. I don't know what that means here in Owerri, but okay. What book is this? Entrepreneurship course, University of Port Harcourt. Course lectured by Environmental Impact Assessment. Okay, sharp. Oh, they're very sharp. Hi. I think this is the person having the party. So apparently these are the decorators right here. They are known as Inspector Decorator. Do the matches thing. And this is their task for today, to decorate this area. Wow. So considering we only have about 30 minutes before we have to head back home, Meso, how do you guys plan on doing this?
No, we've done this before in less than 20 minutes.
In less than 20 minutes? Do you guys believe them? I don't know. But yeah, we will see how this place looks in literally 20 minutes because we gotta go.
Well, I'm very happy that Chizi is around because anytime I hear that she's coming back, I always get so excited because staying with her, I always feel like I have my elder sister.
She's getting nicer and nicer by the day.
Just the greatest impression she has given that she came alone all the time. Has been going with the family. But this time, she mastered courage to come on her own.
Professor Saramoyibo, erudite professor, Supurumoyibo, Professor Saramoyibo, Antibera.
We want to say a big thank you to God who brought her, safely to Nigeria. It's a rare show of courage and love for her Nigerian link. That she left all that place. I know quite a lot of young people wouldn't think about that. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you. So we're not losing this one.
Alright, so I am off back to Lagos. Owerri was great, but your girl got business to do and has to get back to America soon. So my aunt. But yeah, Meso's here helping out. Hey guys. So I am crying. Oh my god. I'm not sure why I'm crying, but I just feel really, I don't know. I feel ridiculous that I'm crying, but I am. I'm sitting here waiting for my plane to board, and I guess deep down I'm a family person, so I just miss everyone. And yeah, maybe I was holding back my tears, and now that I'm alone it's just like all coming out. But I had an amazing time in Owerri, and just being able to spend time with the rest of my family was really great. And I don't know, maybe I'm also feeling like, damn, my trip is really rounding up. I have just a few more days, maybe 5 to 6 more days here in Nigeria. So it's just damn, this trip is about to be over. So yeah. Ooh, I just got really, you know what it is? Owerri and staying with that part of my family just feels like a really safe place, like it's a safe space for me, and all I feel there is love. So not that I don't feel love in my own immediate family's house, I definitely do, but it's just like, it's just different, you know. So I just miss everyone, and I'm just thinking like, wow, it's one moment you're with people and then the next you just have memories. Like, that's just how life goes. So yeah, but it was a great time, and I'm so glad I visited them. Now we're back off to Lagos, and very soon we'll be heading back to America. Ooh, wow. So I'm about to pull out, you know, my Americana. I'm almost done with the book, so I'm gonna read that. Eric, of course, delayed my flight, so I'm here for another 2-3 hours. Great, but yeah, that's it. All right, I feel better now. I just needed a release of a cry. There we are.